Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Highlander headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new headlight bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Highlander is completely off and the engine has cooled down. This ensures safety during the replacement process. Next, locate the headlight assembly, which is typically found behind the front bumper. We'll access it from the wheel well. To gain access, turn your front wheels inward, giving you more room to work in the wheel well. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully remove the plastic clips holding the fender liner in place. There are usually about 5 to 7 clips. Once the clips are out, gently pull back the fender liner. This will reveal the back of the headlight assembly where the bulb is located. Now disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb, avoiding touching the glass, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place, then reattach the electrical connector. With the new bulb installed, carefully push the fender liner back into its original position. Reinsert all the plastic clips you removed earlier, ensuring they are firmly in place. Finally, turn on your Highlander and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. You should see a bright, clear beam. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.